Hello, Pastor. I'd like to talk to you directly for a moment about an issue that is plaguing so many of our churches, and we know it's a reality in today's world. In almost every church, there are faithful men who love God, love their families, they serve, yet they're quietly struggling with sexual integrity. Most of them don't come forward early or unless they're forced to. And it's not because they don't care, but it's because they're afraid of exposure. They're afraid of fallout. They're afraid of losing a position. They're afraid of being seen as failures as leaders. So they wait until they're forced. Too often, the church only becomes aware after a crisis, after a discovery, after a marriage breakdown, or after some sort of leadership failure. My name is Chris Grimless. I'm a former pastor and church planter, and I waited too long to ask help for myself. And I learned firsthand that men don't usually fall suddenly. They drift quietly because they don't know where they can go safely. What I've developed is not a replacement for pastoral care or counseling or church discipline. It's a confidential, faith centered support pathway for men who know something's wrong and they know they need to change before things are explode or because things have exploded. It's not therapy. It's not public confession. It does not bypass church authority. It's a structured, discrete option for churches that they can use as a next step beyond coming clean, beyond confession, beyond facing the challenge. It's one that emphasizes responsibility, wisdom, and long term integrity. Pastors who use this resource appreciate the fact that it is 100% confidential. Nobody knows who's coming to us. It's faith based, it's going to take your faith into account. It reduces the risk to families, reduces the risks to the church, it's protection for the pastor. It prevents crises rather than reacting to them. It gives men a place to go when they can finally say, I need help, but I don't know what to do next. And opening that door strengthens the church. If this resonates with what you're seeing in your church, I'd welcome a pastor to pastor conversation. Listen, there's no pressure, there's no obligation. It's just information, safeguards, and discernment. If you'd like more details, request information. Click the link below, and I will get back to you so we can schedule that conversation. In the meantime, I'd like to thank you for your faithfulness. I'd like you to thank you for protecting the people that God has entrusted to your care. And I look forward to hearing from you soon.